Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, February the 7th, 2024. And today is war day number 714. 714 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. That's the news of today. And in today's newspaper, I've already solved 2 regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And also in this newspaper, we have an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now, in the evening. And so let's get started with the binary. Binary puzzle number 7955. 7955. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double ones. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, 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 here one, there one. Now the double ones, double one, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then double one, Dano. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, Dano. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Well. And now, I need to think. 1, 2, double one, Dano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, Dano. Double O, here one, there one. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5 then. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. All right. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, also 4. Yeah, 4 ones we have here in this row. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Another line, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to compare, I believe. How many rows we have completed? Only 1, 2 rows. Here we have 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. but the columns, I have a lot of spaces here, so I need to compare the rows. And we have 1, 2 rows. Okay, 1001 here, double O, double L, double 1. This one. And the last row. All right. 00011 empty box. 0011110 empty box 11. So we need to switch these two digits. Yeah. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have O here. This should be a 1. If I don't switch the digits, then we have identical rows. Not allowed. One of the rules. All right. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. Between this O is an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 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 Interesting. Well, need to compare again. Question is, these 2 columns, no, these 4 columns, or these 4 rows. Well, do we have here a double 1 here? No. Do we have here a double O here? No. How about here? Do we have a double O here? Here. Here. No, this is not the same. How about the double 1? No, also not the same. So we need to compare the columns, I believe. Double 1. Okay, do we have a double 1 here? O1. No, it's not the same. Do we have a double 101? Okay. This one and the first column. Well, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Okay, now double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. In 9 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening. Yeah, in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.